I'm going to tell you everything you could possibly want to know about the SODAY frying cookware set. Really like this a lot, but I'm going to answer everything you could possibly want to know about this. We've been using this for a little bit now, so we have some, I guess, results from testing it. I'm going to tell you everything you get with it, some things I like, some things I don't like. You can't really go wrong. This does come in different colors if you're not digging this color, and they also have more pieces. This is the 12-piece set. They also have a 13 and a 17. So if you kind of like what's going on here, yeah, you can get more. All right, so we're gonna get a 1.6 quart saucepan. We're gonna get a 9.5 inch frying pan and an 11 inch frying pan. We have a little saucepan right over here, and then this is going to be kind of like our casserole right over here. You also do have 4 pan protectors, so you could just, it's like almost like these little felt things. You just put them in, and you could stack these on top of each other. Now you could use these on all different types of surfaces. So if gas, electric, heat, whatever that's called, the heat induction, you could use electric coil. And all, basically whatever you could cook on, you could use this on. One thing you can't do with these is put them in the dishwasher or the oven, so just note that. When you do get these are going to be individually wrapped. Each pan is individually wrapped, and each handle right over here is going to come attached separately. So you're going to get these, and then what you're going to do, these handles are going to be in baggies. It comes with a screwdriver, and then you're just going to put them together. It literally takes 2 seconds. We also get these lids right over here as well. These are clear lids, and these will go on all the different pots. I do like kind of it gives you like a little woody look here, which keeps these nice and cool. And all these lids fit on basically all the pots. So you're going to get 3 different lids, but this lid right over here will fit on this pot, and this one will fit on this one. So you can do whatever you want to do there. In terms of storage, these store really nicely. Again, if you're in an RV or short on space, you could take these handles off every time if you wanted to. I was a little concerned with having to connect this handle, that it wouldn't be that sturdy, but there is a very nice camera there that I do not want to break. I feel very confident that this is not coming off by swinging this a lot. So you could do that. But it also stacks up pretty easily as well. These are super easy to wash as well. You got the non-stick. There's none of the P stuff in there, the PFA, the PFO, all that stuff. You don't have to worry about that. It is non-stick as well. Very easy, beginner friendly. This is a great set. It makes a great gift as well. If you have someone who just moved into a new place, going to college or something, you got all the basics right over here. Now, in terms of storage and stacking, you literally can just put all this just like this, and you're kind of good to go. You could even put this over here, and you got that all stacked very nicely. And then we just have the 3 lids right over here. You could do that. In terms of the lid, we do have a clear lid, and we do have a little steam hole right over here. So I really do like that. We've had some sets in the past, and when you're kind of cooking, you want to see what's going on in there. Is it boiling? What's going on? Do you need to flip it or something like that? This is a really nice option for that. And also cooking, having this nice little hole right here is a great way to cook a little better and not burn stuff. Can't really like this set a lot. Like I said, if you are looking for a great starter set or just a great set in general, you really can't go wrong with this. You could cook on all different surfaces, easy to put together. If you really wanted to, you could take the handles and the tops off, like these little lids, if you wanted to, and store them. They easily just go back inside each one, and you get even more storage options. Comes in different colors. If you're looking for a great set, a cookware set, definitely check these out. I don't have enough good things to say about them. I hope you found this helpful and you find the right cookware set for you. Give this a thumbs up if you did.